Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Monarch Money. If you've been searching for a budgeting app that actually makes managing money feel simple instead of stressful, then today's video is for you. We'll cover everything you need to know, including what Monarch Money actually does, its biggest features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether it truly deserves the title of the best budgeting app in 2026. Let's get started. Monarch Money is an all-in-one personal finance and budgeting platform that's designed to help users track their spending, monitor investments, build budgets, and plan long-term financial goals from one dashboard. Instead of jumping between different apps for budgeting, net worth tracking, subscriptions, and investments, Monarch tries to combine everything into one clean ecosystem. One thing that immediately stands out about Monarch Money is that it doesn't feel like a traditional finance app. Most budgeting apps either look outdated or overwhelm users with spreadsheets and complicated menus. Monarch takes a very different approach. The interface is modern, clean, extremely visual, and honestly enjoyable to use. And that matters more than people think. Because the biggest reason most people fail at budgeting isn't because they don't care about money. It's because the tools they use are frustrating. Monarch tries to solve that by making financial management feel intuitive and less intimidating. In many ways, Monarch Money feels like the premium version of what Mint could have become. And based on reviews from users and finance experts, that strategy is clearly working. The app has built a strong reputation for balancing simplicity with powerful financial insights. Now let's talk about the main features of Monarch Money. All-in-one financial dashboard. The biggest feature is the account aggregation. Monarch connects thousands of financial institutions and brings all your finances into one place. Instead of logging into 5 or 6 different apps, you can monitor everything from one dashboard. Budgeting tools. Monarch offers flexible budgeting systems instead of forcing users into one budgeting style. You can create category-based budgets, you can set monthly spending targets, you can track overspending, monitor cash flow, customize spending categories, and roll over unused budget amounts. This flexibility is one reason why many users prefer Monarch over stricter budgeting apps. Net worth tracking. This is one of Monarch's strongest features. The app automatically calculates your net worth by combining all assets and liabilities. As your investments grow or debts decrease, you can visualize your financial progress over time. For many users, this becomes highly motivating because they can actually see their financial improvement month after month. Investment tracking. Unlike basic budgeting apps, Monarch includes investment monitoring as part of the core experience. You can track stocks, retirement accounts, crypto portfolios, investment performance, and even asset allocation. The app also provides performance insights and reporting tools. And in 2026, Monarch has been expanding advanced investing and forecasting tools even further for more complex financial users. Shared household finance. This is one of Monarch Money's most unique advantages. Many budgeting apps are built for solo users, but Monarch was clearly designed with couples and families in mind. That is why on the website, you have a tab for couples. Subscription and bills tracking. Monarch automatically detects recurring expenses and subscriptions. So instead of forgetting about random subscriptions draining your account every month, the app helps identify them quickly. Financial goals and planning. Another area where Monarch stands out is long-term planning. This makes Monarch feels less like a budgeting app and more like a complete financial planning platform. Then there's the report and analytics. Monarch gives users detailed financial reports and visual charts. And because the interface is so visual, the information feels easier to understand compared to traditional finance software. Now, what is the pricing like? As of 2026, there are 2 plans. There's the core plan and the plus plan. The core plan is $8.33 per month, and the plus plan is $16.67 per month. You can try for free for 7 days before you finally commit to a payment. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Monarch? First, the pro. It has an excellent user interface. It is strong for budgeting and investment combination. It is great for couples and families. It has powerful financial visibility and is customizable. How about the cons? is expensive compared to the free alternatives, and advanced users may want more forecasting. It might also take some time to set it up. So after looking at everything, is Monarch Money actually the best budgeting app in 2026? Well, for many people, honestly, yes. What Monarch does exceptionally well is that it combines budgeting, investing, net worth tracking, and financial planning into one polished ecosystem that feels modern and easy to use. Now, of course, it's not perfect, but for users who value simplicity, privacy, financial visibility, and premium design, yes, this app is incredibly hard to beat. And that's it on the review of Monarch Money. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore YNAB, Rocket Money, and Copilot Money. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.